Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize AI tools through Intel AI quick tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize AI tools through Intel AI, begin by understanding your specific needs. Identify the AI tools you currently use. Visit the Intel AI website to explore the various resources available. Download any relevant Intel AI software or SDKs suited for your tools. Install the software following the provided installation instructions. Next, familiarize yourself with Intel AI's optimization libraries. Study the documentation available on the website. This will provide insights on how to integrate Intel AI into your existing workflow. Open your chosen AI tool and navigate to the settings. Look for options related to performance tuning or optimization. Enable Intel AI optimizations as recommended in the documentation. Test these optimizations with a small-scale use case initially. Monitor the performance improvements and ensure everything runs smoothly. Make adjustments as necessary based on the results. For deeper optimization, consider leveraging Intel's hardware accelerators. Identify any specific features of Intel hardware that can enhance your AI process. Implement these features within your AI tool setup. Continuously benchmark your AI tool's performance after each optimization step. Compare results to identify the most effective optimizations. Engage with community forums or Intel support for ongoing guidance. Keep updated on new releases or enhancements from Intel AI that could further optimize your tools. Document your findings and optimizations for future reference. This will help streamline the process when revisiting the optimization in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.